Hi guys, today I will show you how to change a Google Sheet with a link without any API, because mostly people use API but it's more complicated. But I will use here only a URL which change on Google Sheet. First of all, you will need to deploy a script. You will click here on extension. You will see here app script, and when you will click on here and wait for page loading, and you will see here, and after waits you will click here, and when you will click on a deploy you will see here new deployment and click on it, and after click of it you will see here a form. You will fill here a form with any name such as basic, and after of it here in a section of execute as it's remain that it's an email, and here is who can access its permission for anyone, and click on it. After it you will get a link which you can use to change your Google Sheet, and copy here link and copy here. After it's done, and you will click on here and in a private mode, and click here and paste and put here question mark and write here set is equal to, like I want to change here, such as I want to change this, and then I will count 0 1 2 3 3, and 3 is a number of line. Actually here is a number of 4 number line, but we will use here 3 as expect as a index, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 3, and put here 6 number of row, and number of row and number of column, and after of it you will put here value which you want to put here, such as like magic. After of it, and you can see here when you will press here enter, after of it you can see here it's a change a value. It's easy to use, and you can make a change during any script. Just make a request and it will change it. Thanks for watching. I will also attach this script description of this video.